Hello guys, Marketer Assassin here, and today we're going to be talking about passive income. Okay, today's quote is, do you want to create passive income but don't know where to start? Passive income. Sure, a lot of you have heard about passive income, or if you're new here, I'll tell you the concept of passive income. Passive income is basically having a flow of money just coming in anywhere in the world, you know what I'm saying, whatever you're doing, just having it. You can be sleeping and you can have income just pouring in. So it's unlimited income. Passive income could be another term for unlimited income. It's passive income is having money just on a weekly basis. Every day you just have money just getting paid every day. So how do I get passive income, Marketer Assassin? Well, I'll tell you. There's all kinds of ways to get passive income and on the internet. And today we're going to be talking about how to get passive income and acquire that through marketing. And marketing, you have to definitely get into that because it's not no rookie. You can't just jump into this and think you're gonna all of a sudden know what to do. And just you gotta be willing to put in the work, and you gotta do your research on marketing and how to market, because a lot of people don't know how to do it, and they want it fast, and they want to just look up a couple videos, this and that, and they think they know how to market. You know what I'm saying? It's very deep, and there's a lot of learning you have to get into to be able to be good at marketing. Period. So that's another video. Today is passive income, and I'll show you a couple ways that I know I use this, but I know a lot of people, even some of my close friends, that use this method to generate passive income. You know, they have their own system, and then they just we're gonna get right into this though, if you give me a second. Okay, so if you look here, I have I put up an Amazon website, or the Amazon thing, and look at all these products on here. Like, they have so much products on here, but Amazon is a good tool and program to use to generate passive income, guys. Like, a lot of my friends use Amazon, and they've created like numerous amount of websites, and different things. They have a big audience, and they promote a lot of products. They use a lot of Amazon products, and you can do that on here. And if you go all the way down, look at all these products, guys. Like, it's amazing. All right, Amazon is so big too. Like, they just took over the world. Like, it's crazy. Amazon is global. It's everywhere. There's not a person that doesn't know about Amazon. If you don't know about Amazon, then you're stuck in the stone age. You have to get with this new way, this new style, this new age, this new our era. You know. So look, you can sell on Amazon. You can sell your product. You can sell your service on Amazon. You can sell your products. You can sell Amazon Business. So your apps. You can sell your apps on Amazon. There's a whole bunch of stuff, man. You gotta make money with us. There's a whole bunch of stuff, man. They let you make money with them. You know what I'm saying? Like, here's what we're looking for: become an affiliate. See, let me explain this to you. See, what you do here is you join. It's easy to join, and the way this works is you become an affiliate, and when you become an affiliate, you have the right to use their affiliate link through your affiliate account. And when you refer somebody to a product, and for those out you that don't know, if you refer somebody to a product, you can get a commission for that product. You can get paid. They'll pay you. So it is all kinds of ways you can promote their product and throw your link out there to different people. But you want to be you want to have it targeted. You don't want to just be randomly throwing it out there. That's what rookies do, and that's a beginner doer right there. Like, that's a rookie move. You don't want to become you know what I'm saying? I have multiple YouTube channels that have been successful, and other social medias that I use, and I keep creating new YouTube channels every now and then to see how far I can go and how far I can build that channel. Because think about this, it's like it's a thrill to me. Like, to do something like this is a thrill, and that's where the hustle is, guys. There's all kinds of ways you can hustle out there, and this is a hustle for me. You know what I'm saying? I promote and I create videos explaining to people how to do these things. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of money to be made out here, and I want everybody to eat. And I be teaching my friends how to do this, and some of them even pay me to teach them how to do this, which is crazy, right? So let's get into the topic again. Join. It's easy and free to join. You know what I'm saying? You join, sign up, and then you uh, you can choose from over 1 million products to advertise with. You know what I'm saying? They're basically saying you can use any of their products. You know, there's a lot of products you can use. But here's what you want to do. You want to create your own website though. But here you might think a website just means you have to spend a lot of money, blah blah blah, this and that. But here's the thing, guys. A website could be a numerous round of things. Like it could be, you can use a Facebook page as a website. You can use Instagram as a website. You can use a whole bunch of things as a website. You can use Google Plus. You can use that to promote. You know what I'm saying? You want to use your affiliate link and promote that and get people interested in. You don't want to just be randomly targeting people. You want to have a select people you want to target, and that's how you generate leads and clicks and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? You get traffic. So you advertise it, and then you earn. You know, you get up to 10% in advertising fees. Just they got all kinds of different ways you can promote products on here. You can use bounty bonuses. You know, all you gotta do is just get started, and when you get started, you sign up, and then you go from there. So yeah, Amazon is a good and a perfect way to generate passive income. You gotta read more onto this though, and later I'll make I already have like multiple Amazon affiliate accounts though, but I'll make a new Amazon account to show you how it's really done and how to really start though. And then I can show you how you don't even have to make get a pricey website. You know what I'm saying? If you want to create your own website, I can show you ways to get around spending a lot of money, and even I can show you how to get a free logo. Isn't that why I can show you how to get free logos? Like free logos that's like the best thing ever, because nowadays logos cost money. So yeah, if you stick around with me, guys, I'll show you how to do all these things. So another affiliate program. Yeah, we're gonna go straight into affiliate programs. And when you become an affiliate with these big, because we're naming some of the big affiliate programs out there, like Amazon, and it is a big program you have to get on. So we're gonna be naming some of the big programs out there that a lot of people are getting on. Amazon is just one out of few big programs you can use to generate passive income, and yeah, it's amazing. So definitely get on that. Another way, guys, and if you give me a sec, I'll show you, is eBay. Like eBay is old school. It's eBay has been around for a long time, and a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, they don't think twice about eBay, which you should. You know what I'm saying? They have a whole bunch of products on here, and look look at all these. They have nice products. They have genuine and quality products on here. Nice products. They also have, let's see, they also have an affiliate program on here. You can sell your products on here too. See, they doing things like Amazon. You know, buy, sell. Excuse me. Let's see what we're gonna look for as affiliate. Oh, well, look, here it is. Affiliates, business sellers. Okay, share your passion. Welcome to eBay Partner Network. So you can become an affiliate, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is a way, and I'll leave the link to these quicker, so you can get to these quicker, so you don't have to go through all this clicks and stuff to get to here. So this is where you sign up. You know, I think this is where you sign up. I'm saying I think I've done this plenty of times. It's been a while, guys, since I haven't made an Amazon account recently. I haven't made one, so. But I have one. I have an old Amazon affiliate account though. But I guess you can sign up there. You know, read more into this, guys. But eBay is a good way here. Sign up now to set your goal for creating passive income, guys. So definitely use this to keep this one in mind. You know, I personally love eBay, and a lot of my friends use eBay. So definitely get on this. All right, what else? Monetize your site. See what I'm saying? Like I said, guys, you don't have to, and it's not like a website could be numerous amount of things you can create a website through if you have a Facebook account, you can make a Facebook page. You can even make a Facebook community, a group, and you can just promote the products you're trying to promote, and to the audience you want to target. And you put your affiliate link, and then the magic happens, and it is magic, guys. Like it's like marketing magic. So yes, read more information about this, and I'll leave a link below to help you get there faster and quicker. So eBay is one tool you can use, program you can use to generate this, and you can become affiliate with this guy, with these guys over here. So definitely get on that. And if you give me a sec, I'll show you another way. Okay, flex offers. Okay, you can become you can become a Netflix affiliate. You can become a Netflix affiliate. They have affiliate programs, different programs on here. Um, Advertiser, look, affiliate programs. Program categories: business, careers, affiliate program, directory. They have a whole bunch of things on here, guys. You gotta read into this and find out what you can do. But it's not hard. This process, this affiliate thing is not hard. All you gotta do basically is create your own website. It doesn't have to be a website that you want to create from scratch. It can be you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use Google Plus, you can use YouTube. I can't believe I forgot about YouTube. I can't believe I forgot about that. Like a whole bunch of people make big money off YouTube. Like they have big following, and they make they can generate passive income through that because of them simply promoting their products on Amazon and using their affiliate links. So there, it's a smart way to market. It's a smart way to market, and a lot of pros out there are using it. So definitely you can use these guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit this, if you want to know more about this stuff, guys. This is all I talk about, guys. I try to help people accomplish their goals and create and make good money, so they can have a start, and they don't feel like, they want to be somebody in life. They want to figure out how to stop struggling so they can accomplish their goals faster. And I'm telling you guys, there's a lot of money out here, and there's a lot of ways you can generate money. You know what I'm saying? And marketing is one of those ways, guys. Like, we're not in a stone age no more. Like, there are things out here you can use to have money, but you have to put in the work, guys. You can't just sit around and do nothing. You gotta get off your high horse, and and get to work, and put in the work. And it's not hard. And the process is very simple, but you gotta focus, and you gotta read more into this. So I'll make more videos about there's ways you can you can make your own free website. I did that one time, and what I'm saying, they could be very cheap, for a price of lunch. You know what I'm saying? So, and then you can make your own free logo. I can show you how to do that. Nowadays logos are pricey, so I'll show you how to do all that stuff. So definitely subscribe, stay in tune, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.